Welcome to Crazy Bodycam, where adrenaline hits you in the chest. Real streets, real officers, real danger, captured, raw, and unfiltered. No slow moments, just pure pursuit, pure chaos, and pure impact. Strap in. These are the craziest high-speed chases, where everything ends in disaster. The suspect sped off in a tiny electric car, hitting 100 kilometers per hour, weaving recklessly and even swerving into the bicycle lane to escape police. His wild driving instantly turned the chase into a dangerous pursuit. Despite the suspect's reckless maneuvers endangering everyone on the road, police executed a precise tactical move that sent him tumbling and exposed his weak excuses. His bizarre escape through the bike lane ended just as quickly as it started. Officers immediately moved in after spotting the suspicious vehicle. In an instant, a peaceful roadway exploded into a high-speed chase. Ending abruptly when the fleeing car collided violently. Ignoring every police command, the scooter driver launched into reckless speeds, causing chaos. The suspect lost all possible escape routes and finally surrendered, bringing the chase to a clean end. The suspect blasted past a checkpoint at 104 miles per hour, ignoring every attempt to stop him. His reckless speeding forced patrol units to react instantly, turning every second into a critical decision moment.
Ja, dan gaan wij weer op call hebben. U wilt al 68.4, zit een opvallend voertuig die probeert om trap te rijden. Voertuig zelf rijdt over de brug, ook. Hard is het. Als een actie moet komen, moet dat nu gebeuren. We zitten op een paar honderd meter voor hier. We hebben 3 auto-inzichtingen, die kunnen boksen. En dan moet de rest wel weg.
Perfect coordination between police units prevented a potential disaster. The car was boxed in, forcing the suspect to the side of the road. After a breathless chase, officers finally arrested 2 men and a woman inside the vehicle. The suspect blew through a traffic checkpoint, hitting 120 miles per hour, triggering a full high-speed pursuit. Police stayed determined and refused to let him escape, even as he put countless drivers at risk. If you want more real-life pursuits, raw body cam footage, and breakdowns of high-intensity encounters, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below. Which chase shocked you the most? This is Crazy Body Cam, and we'll see you in the next one.